Honorable Principal, learned teachers, and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today, we gather to celebrate Constitution Day, a momentous occasion in our nation's history. It marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution on November 26, 1949, a document that not only serves as the foundation of our democracy, but also embodies the ideals of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. The Constitution is more than just a legal framework, it is a reflection of our shared values, aspirations, and dreams as a diverse yet united nation. Drafted under the visionary leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a dedicated team of leaders, it represents the hopes of millions who fought tirelessly for our independence. The guiding principle of enshrined in our Constitution remind us of our duties and rights as citizens. The preamble declares India to be sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic, a nation where individual is treated with dignity and respect, irrespective of their caste, creed, gender, or religion. Our Constitution is dynamic and adaptable, evolving with time through amendments to address contemporary challenges while preserving its core spirit. This adaptability has enabled India to remain a thriving democracy despite its vast diversity and complexity. As a students, you play a crucial role in upholding the values of our Constitution. It is your duty, children. It is your duty to understand its essence, practice inductivity, respect diversity, and contribute positively to society, whether through small acts of kindness or larger contribution to nation building. Every effort matters. I encourage each one of you to take a moment today to reflect on the significance of the Constitution in your life. Ask yourself, are you living up to ideals it promotes? Are you using your freedom responsibility and fulfilling your duties to the nation? As we conclude, let's pledge to honor the legacy of our forefathers by working towards a more inclusive, harmonious, and progressive India. Remember, the strength of our democracy lies only in the Constitution, but also in our collective commitment to its principles. Thank you, and let's strive to uphold the spirit of the Constitution every day. Jai Hind.